Hello, and welcome to English Podcast with Missy. Here we learn English for real life. Clear, slow, and simple. Let's learn English together. Are you ready? Let's begin. Hello, my dear friends. It's Missy here. Welcome back to our cozy English corner. Today, I want to share a very special memory with you. My very first camping trip. It was a time of excitement, laughter, a little bit of fear, and many new discoveries. Before this trip, I had never slept outside in nature. I had never stayed in a tent or cooked food on a fire. So everything was new for me, and that made the experience unforgettable. Let's go back to that summer day together. Last summer, my friends invited me to go camping in the mountains. When they first asked me, I felt both nervous and excited. I kept thinking, will I enjoy it? Will it be too cold at night? What if there are animals? The evening before we left, I prepared my backpack. I packed some clothes, a warm jacket, a hat, and snacks. I also packed a flashlight because my friend told me, "In the forest, it will be very dark at night." That sentence stayed in my mind and made me feel curious and maybe a little worried too. I looked at my bag and thought, wow, I am really going camping. The next morning, we left the city early. The sky was clear and the sun was shining. We drove for about 2 hours. While we were driving, we were singing songs, laughing, and sharing snacks. I looked out the window and watched the view changing. At first, I saw houses, shops, and traffic lights. But slowly, the buildings disappeared and green fields appeared. I saw farmers working, cows eating grass, and children riding bicycles. Then, in the distance, the mountains started to rise. When we reached the edge of the forest, we parked the car and continued on foot. The air immediately felt fresher. The trees were tall and beautiful, and their leaves made a soft sound in the wind. Birds were singing, and sometimes I heard the sound of water from a small stream nearby. While we were walking, I was carrying a heavy backpack. My shoulders felt tired, but my heart was light. I was walking in nature, and I was with my friends. After about 1 hour, we found a good place to camp. It was a small open area with soft grass, close to some tall pine trees and near a river. The air smelled of fresh leaves and water. We put down our bags and started to build our tents. At first, I didn't know what to do. I looked at the tent poles and the ropes and felt confused. But my friends showed me step by step, and after a while, my tent was standing. I felt proud, like I had already learned something new. When the tents were ready, we cooked our first meal, noodles and hot dogs. We used a small stove, and the smell made us even hungrier. The food was very simple. But when you eat outside, everything tastes better. I remember thinking, this is the best bowl of noodles I've ever eaten. After lunch, we decided to explore the forest a little. We walked near the river, and the water was so clear that we could see the rocks at the bottom. Some of us took off our shoes and put our feet in the cold water. It felt freezing at first, but also refreshing. While we were exploring, we saw colorful flowers, tall grass, and even a group of butterflies flying together. I stopped many times just to listen to the quiet sound of nature. In the city, there is always noise. Cars, voices, machines. But in the forest, there was only the wind, the water, and the birds. When the sun went down, the forest became dark very quickly. We built a campfire. The flames were bright and warm, and the smoke smelled of wood. We sat around the fire, telling stories and roasting marshmallows. Suddenly, we heard a strange noise in the bushes. Everyone became quiet. Rustle, rustle. My heart was beating fast. Then a small rabbit jumped out. We all laughed and the fear disappeared. Later, one of my friends brought out a guitar. While he was playing, we were singing softly. Above us, the stars appeared one by one. The sky was so clear, and I could see more stars than I had ever seen before. It felt magical, almost like a dream. We stayed around the fire for a long time, talking and laughing. I felt safe, even though we were far from home. That night, I lay in my sleeping bag inside the tent. It was not as soft as a bed, but it was warm. Outside, I could hear crickets, the sound of the river, and sometimes the wind moving through the trees. I couldn't sleep at first because I was thinking about everything. The stars, the rabbit, the songs, and the smell of the fire. Even though it was a little uncomfortable, I felt peaceful. Finally, after some time, I closed my eyes and fell asleep. In the morning, I woke up early. The air was cold but fresh. The sun was rising slowly, painting the mountains in gold. The forest was waking up too. Birds were singing and the river was shining in the light. We boiled water, made tea, and ate bread with jam for breakfast. While we were eating, we watched the sunlight dancing on the river. It was so calm and beautiful. After breakfast, we packed our things. We wanted to leave the place clean, so we collected all our trash. Then, with happy hearts, we walked back down the mountain. I felt a little sad to leave, but also proud of myself for trying something new. That camping trip was truly unforgettable. I learned how to build a tent, make a fire, and enjoy simple food. But more than that, I learned how nature can make us feel calm and free. Sometimes life in the city is busy and stressful, but in nature, everything slows down. We can breathe deeply, listen carefully, and feel grateful for the simple things. The stars, the trees, the sound of water, and the laughter of friends. That trip changed me. Now, whenever I feel tired, I remember the smell of the campfire, the rabbit jumping from the bushes and the stars above me. And I feel peaceful again. Today's story used two important tenses, past simple and past continuous. Past simple. We use it for finished actions in the past. We arrived at the campsite. I cooked noodles. We laughed loudly. These actions are complete. They happened, and then they finished. Past continuous. We use it for longer actions or background actions in the past. The birds were singing. I was carrying a heavy backpack. While he was playing the guitar, we were singing softly. This tense paints the picture. It shows what was happening around a moment. Thank you, dear friends, for joining me today. Have you ever gone camping? Or would you like to try it one day? If you have, maybe you remember the stars, the campfire, or the quiet sounds of the forest. And if you haven't, maybe one day you will, and you will discover the beauty of nature. I hope my story helps you learn new words and inspires you to explore the outdoors. Until next time, this is Missy, wishing you peace and joy.